In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get custom songs and mods in Beat Saber on Steam. To start, make sure you've got your Steam app open on your computer. This is the gateway to accessing Beat Saber and all its awesome customization options. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll want to do that next. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the Steam window and you'll be prompted to enter your account name and password. Remember, your Steam credentials are like your keys to a digital world, so ensure you keep them secure and private. Once you've entered your information, go ahead and click on the sign in button. This will bring you to your Steam homepage where all the action begins. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the screen and locate the Store tab. Clicking on this will launch the Steam Store homepage. In the search bar, which you'll find conveniently placed at the top, type in Beat Saber and hit enter. Pretty soon you should see Beat Saber pop up in your search results. Click on the game to navigate to its dedicated Steam page, where you'll find a variety of official information and options related to the game. On this Beat Saber page, look for the Community Hub link. It's your gateway to a treasure trove of user-generated content and discussions. Clicking on Community Hub will present you with a range of options, but the one we're particularly interested in is guides. In the guides section, you can find all sorts of helpful tips and tutorials created by the Beat Saber community. Within this section, search for modding or configuration. This will lead you to a specific subcategory focused on enhancing your Beat Saber experience with mods and custom tracks. One guide that's especially helpful for our purposes is the Beat Saber modding guide marked as working as of 2025. Click on this guide to open it. Inside, you'll be greeted with step-by-step instructions on how to download and install custom songs and mods for Beat Saber. It's a well-detailed guide that covers all you need. It's crucial to follow the instructions and prompts in the guide carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. The Beat Saber community is vast and supportive, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different mods and tracks to see what best enhances your gaming experience. Once you've got your mods and songs downloaded, launch Beat Saber through your Steam library and enjoy the enriched experience. Custom songs and mods can truly transform the game, adding fresh challenges and endless enjoyment. Thanks for watching, and let's get started.